Look, look, oh. Oh my God, Han, there's a lot of them already, look. The back.
Minyo ka. Kanya iwan ang bana. Mauna yung problema diha.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. Bihis lang ako, guys, kasi nakapang ito yung tinulog ko. Early in the morning, bad news. Tinawagan ko yung kapatid ko. Yung papa ko raw, lumala yung sakit. Natakot ako baka kidney na yon, yung UTI. Akala UTI kidney pala. Hi guys. So ngayon guys, si Tami naghahanap siya ng GNC sa Pilipinas, sa Davao. Meron daw sa SM. Kasi sabi pa niya pabilhan daw ng oregano oil. Pero parang wala atang oregano oil yung GNC. Hindi ko alam kung meron silang oregano oil or something kasi wala. Tinitignan ko sa online yung GNC sa SM Davao, sa Lanang area. Wala akong nakitang oregano oil. So maganda kasi yung oregano oil talaga. So yun yung gamit namin. Ubo ako ng ubo. Ito yung mukha ng oregano oil guys, oh, na tinitake namin. Maganda siya guys, as in, hindi ako nagkasakit. 2 years, this year, hindi ako nagkasakit. Yung parang hilana talaga ba, yung talagang fever. Kasi magka-fever ako talaga fall or winter, spring. Yung pinaka-ano ko talaga is March. Magkasakit talaga ako niyan. Pero, dahil sa 2 years na akong nag-inom nito, hindi na ako nagkasakit. Parang nakatulong. Kapag nag-start na akong maka-feel ng parang may something sa katawan ko, ito yun siya, GNC oil of oregano. Pero iwan ko kung bakit walang oregano oil sa Pilipinas. Let me know guys if kung meron kayong alam, kung meron ba ganito sa Pilipinas. Ito yung mukha niya guys. And so ngayon, ubo ako ng ubo, so I'm going to take this. Ito ba yung strong? No, kasi mayroong pinaka-strong nito eh. So, I'm going to ask Tami kasi mayroong ganito na sobrang strong at saka mayroon din parang mild. Kasi guys, masusuka ka sa sobrang strong ng oregano oil na ito. Sa ilalim ng dila mo siya ilagay. 3 drops lang yung ilalagay ninyo. So, tanungin natin si Tami. Laglagay ako kasi ubo ko ng ubo. And because I'm gonna take now. Where is the mild one? So, I guess this is the strong one. I'm looking for the mild one. My goodness. I think dinala niya yun ba? There is 2 different, the same container here.
You what?
There are 2 the same container.
They're all the same containers. So I put the empty and I put the other one in it. The big bottle.
So which one is the mild one?
This is it.
Why? How do you know?
See this?
The cellophane? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
So guys, after that guys, huwag kayong iinom ng tubig. 1 hour. Kasi ipasusok, siya, parang mag-sok sa mo, sa katawan mo. First time mo nagtitake ng oregano oil, strong siya, pero may strong pa talaga yun. Pero masanay ka rin. 3 drops lang talaga yung kailangan. Okay guys, we are going to try to cut her nails. Okay, so, she's gonna cry. She's gonna go fight for us. She's gonna be fighting, and
Come on, baby. What?
she's afraid with that flashlight.
Oh, your mama's thinking of flashlight. Get off me. Flashlight. It's a flashlight. It's a
We have to
flashlight.
baby her because she's
It's a flashlight.
she's afraid.
You afraid of everything, aren't you?
Allah, her eyes is sideways looking in my hand. What's in my hand? you fine, baby.
Miss, this is not your turn.
Misty, can you please move?
Not your turn, monkey.
Come on, Roxy.
Come here, come sit with me. Come sit with me, nice.
I know, baby.
Don't choke her. Don't choke her.
Misty, mama. Misty, move, please. Misty, Misty, no. No, she hard face me now.
Most
Missed
people, when they
it.
cut the ball, they pull the ball back.
Roxy, can you give me your other paw?
You didn't finish that one.
No, I did.
You came with it.
Well, she's in the other way, so.
Oh, I know that's me.
Move your ass.
He said, there, I'll turn for you. They feel better on the Navy.
Love you, man. She hide her paw.
Thank
You
you for the
kiss it,
kisses.
Dada. Kisses.
Thank you for the
Dada
kisses.
gotta kisses.
Thank you for kissing.
Dada gotta kisses. Don't hide your pull-up. Don't hide. You're so cute.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Trying to make your nails better. Almost. My good girl.
Here we go. I love baby.
Okay. She says, you let me squirm enough, I'll get out.
Come on.
Now you go. Go ahead.
That's 833-119-2113.
Okay, good baby. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Yeah, I know. I don't.
She positioned herself, I positioned her.
He's struggling. I will be you're struggling. Struggle. Don't get. She kept kicking me.
Yeah, she says, oh, now you gotta give both of us enough.
Oy, Bonsit!
Mama, give
Oh my goodness! Look, I guess every 2 weeks or every 1 week, Rox, I have to cut your nails. Dada. You see that, Dada?
Just like
And missed it, so we cut her nails. She want attention. And then once you touch her paw, she know it's cutting time. She kick you. No, she will kick you. She get harder. Her body is become like hard, kicking. That's who she is. But she's so cute. Okay, guys. Ilagay na natin ito. So, nilinis ko na siya. Ngayon, initin natin. Para makapagluto na tayo. Dalhin ito kasi ni Mr. Dalhin sa trabaho. Pabayaan lang natin siya ng uminit para matay yung mga tagaw. Ito yung mga seasoning na gustong-gusto ni Mr. Lemon pepper, onion, garlic and herb, garlic powder, Montreal chicken. Ang dami, di ba? Initin lang natin yan and then ready to cookie.
We don't have any oregano. I don't imagine it. I thought we had oregano.
I put everything for the groundhog.
Yeah, but you gotta make a list of who to buy.
Yeah,
What are you missing?
I always forget. Oregano and what is that? Butter. Hey, put every chicken in it.
Well, get every chicken.
Turmeric, guys. Turmeric is good for you. This chicken. Okay, that's it because I still have to finish it.
Hey, God.
I love you.
Love you too.
ako guys, nagwash na ako ng kamay. So, ano siya? Ang bango guys, grabe. Mabangong mabango. Sobrang bango. Look at this. Okay. Pabayaan muna natin siya dyan. Ang bango talaga. Grabe. Grill. Early in the morning. Sobrang aga ko nag-grill. Tignan nyo tong dalawa. Ulan na guys. Babang nag-barbecue tayo. Umulan na ang mundo. Tignan nyo naman yan. Umulan. It's nice to hear the rain, honey love.
Yeah.
I like it. Ulan. There's a lot of apple right there, sa kapitbahay namin. Oh my God, ang dami. Grabe. Oh, hummingbird is here. Oh, look at that. Masaya talaga yung hummingbird dito, guys. We always feed them. So, yung mga tao na akala ninyo yung nag-comment, yes, Tommy love birds and he spend more money to buy bird food. Malapit na itong maluto yung barbecue natin. Sobrang aga, 'di ba? It's done, guys. Tapos bebe. Tapos your chicken is good. Yellowy because of the turmeric. Huh? Turmeric. Okay, who wants some chicken? I have some small pieces here, guys. Come on. Your coffee cup there. Prutas. Kasi gusto kong kumain. Parang bayabas kasi ito, guys. Itong prutas na to. So, kuha tayo. I'll be there. Ang daming bunga. Kuha tayo. Ito. Parang ano kasi ito. Parang bayabas ba? Kuha tayo. Ang dami kasing bunga, look. Ang dami. Mahuhulog lang ito ba? Sayang. Uy, may malaki doon, oh. Ayaw ko nang lumabas. Ito dong kahoy na to. Ang daming bunga, look. Look. Ito din, look. Bunga. Bunga. Lahat naman ito. Ang dami. Ang dami. Hey, nako. Dalawa lang. Parang bayabas kasi ito, so kainin natin with asin. Ito yung bird feeder namin, guys. Kung hindi kayo, kailangan na naman ng lagyan ng pagkain. Kasi look, nilagay nila lahat sa ground. Kaya naging empty. Andun lahat, oh. Yun ni Mr. Alis na yan. Han? I'm gonna wash this and then I'm going to eat it.
About fried, but that's not what I'm going to show you anyway.
Oh my God, Han. So nice, Han.
Okay.
So nice and sweet.
Yeah, pears are very sweet if you get them, if you pick them right.
Oh my God, you're super
Not
kind.
hard. It's not hard anymore.
No, it's perfect. Have. Meron akong asin dito. I have salt. A lot of people said you can add this in the salad.
Yeah.
You guys, sinabi niyo sa akin, may nagsabi ang sarap, ang tamis. At saka ang napakaganda nito, hindi siya nakaraan. Hindi siya inisprehan. Talagang green man ito, di ba? Meron kaming brown. Isang puno ng brown. And dun, hindi pa ako nakatry ng brown kasi parang rough siya. Di ba, Han? I think the brown is more rough texture. I just realized na ang sarap pala. Do you wanna bring some of this? Dito, ang dami, oh, Han. Look, oh. Ang dami ng bunga. Look, ang dami, oh. Look, 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 oh. Oh my God, Han, there's a lot of them already, look. Raspberry galore. There's more over there. And marami pa dito, look. Come on. Kuha tayo ng prutas, dalhin ni Tami doon sa trabaho. Okay, look, namatay na yung ano ko, guys. Look, ang daming tomato dyan, oh. Ang daming bunga. This is ready, this one, oh, look. Oh my God. Okay. Why you getting the brown?
Why not?
Huh?
Why not?
Here, put it.
The brown and more, a little more ripe, actually.
It's right there. Oh, it's right there. Look.
Yeah, I'm just looking.
This branch here. There is a branch here. Continue over there. There is one on top of it.
This one?
No. That one over there. It's big, yeah. The other side.
Let's glue them together.
The back. Yeah. Oh, get more.
Yeah, we'll take some more. You can bring them to your friends when you see your friends.
Han, there's a lot in here. What are you worried about? Han, that's really small, uy.
And you don't have big ones.
Oh, dami. Look, this is what happened, honey.
The deer.
Go down. The deer ate it?
Look at it eating.
Oh, look at that. Ito yung problema, guys.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that's a big one. Matatagak lang sila ba?
Well, the big it weighs it down and then they can get it.
Huh?
So you should take the higher ones so that animals get the lower.
Yeah. Yun yung problema, guys. Matatagak lang sila kasi wala nang mag-harvest. Nasasayang lang ang daming puno namin. Nick, we have a lot of fruits, huh?
You still have it. You know, if you want any pears, just come over and pick them. They're only wind up like dying on the tree otherwise.
Yeah. Han, seriously, you're struggling? Over there, there's more and they're nicer, right? The first one. The first tree that we went to.
Yeah.
The one over there is not. Is it big? It's big.
Yeah, it's only got black.
No. Right here down. The back.
Yeah.
The back.
Yeah, but they all got black.
No, that's not it. Oh, okay. Why? What's wrong with that?
I guess there's a fungus in this tree.
Harvesting. You think we're going to harvest all this? Huh? Harvest and give it to people. Look, and there's like big here, huh?
Yeah, this came right off.
Huh?
This one came right off.
Look, there's a lot of big things. Harvest. You're getting a
Which one
small
you
one.
want? You pick.
There is big, oh?
There's no bigger than that one.
Seriously, you get the smaller one. You should bring Isabel some of this. Did she eat some fruits?
I don't know.
Yeah, she doesn't really eat anything. Harvesting, baby. This is nice for salad. You peel it, and then after peeling, you cut it in cubes, and then.
Like I said, I like to leave some low ones.
Why? There's a lot of them, and there's a lot of them. Oh, they eat over there already. In the other tree, you don't even cut the thing over there. That's yeah. They're all bad. We should cut those things. Even this one, oh, it's dead already. The tree is rotten.
It's still got fruit coming up.
Yeah, but it's rotten. That's the brown one, guys. Yung nandun, yung dyan brown. Look, hanggang doon, guys. Amin pa yan dyan. Look, hanggang dyan. Dyan. Hanggang actually doon pa. Amin ito. Hanggang doon. Okay, yun yung bahay namin dyan. Yun yung garden ko sa side. Look, you're done? Okay.
I'll do these.
Oh?
I guess I should do these.
So guys, paalis sa sinister. Magpapak lang tayo ng mga ulam ni Mister. You know what? Even meron na akong bra. I like wearing my old bra. You know why? It's low thread. And I'm home. And you know what happened? It's not pushing my bundok. It's not pushing my mountain. Kasi wala na naman siya dito hanggang next week na naman siya, guys. Tuesday kahapon siya nakarating, di ba? Ngayon, iiwan na naman ako. Sayunan ka, anak. Di ka, anak, magmahay. Magmahay, di ka, anak. Your husband always leave you. Magmahay, di ka, ano, like, minyo-minyo lagi. Minyo-minyo ka. Kanya iwan na magbana. Mauna yung problema, diha. Mauna yung naka-problema. Mauna yung naka-bahok-tik-tik ni mo dong. Ngayon, nagpakaon na naman siya ng ibon. Nagpakain. kay maho yung tik-tik doon. Di maho kag tik-tik doon. Tik-tikon itong dako doon. What else? Be careful, it's really tight, right? Told ya. Oh my goodness. Ito yung problema ng mga pakain tayo ng asawa natin, pakainin para hindi tayo iiwan. Pero pinapakain ko naman ito guys, pero palagi na lang akong iniiwan. Kahit anong gawin ko, wala. Iiwan at iiwan pa rin talaga ako. Hindi na ako makapaghintay talaga na mabinta yung bahay doon. Pero ang problema naman doon, pag mabinta na tong bahay guys, yung bahay doon, uuwi siya dito, di ba? Gabi. Aalis siya dito, sobrang aga. Wala siyang tulog. Kasi, di ba, alis, trabaho, balik dito. Walang tulog. So, ngayon, yun yung problema ni Dudong Tami. Yung problema ni Dudong Tami. So, sabi ko, huwag ka nang magtrabaho dong. Mag-retirement ka na lang. And then, ibinta itong bahay dong. Mamimiss ko itong bahay na to. Pero, mamimiss ko talaga kasi first house namin at saka maganda naman dito tirahan guys. Kaso ang tax is malulunod ka talaga. Natural naman ang tax dito, no? Ito sa New York talaga, malaki yung tax, mataas, gano'n, kahit saan ka. Pero may mababa pa naman na lugar. Dito sa New York, mababa pa sa amin ang taas talaga. At saka, we're gonna miss this house, baby, right? If we sell this house,
Yeah.
are you gonna miss this house? This is our first house ever, baby. And then we're gonna have a house, and then we're gonna have a trailer. House to RV. Is that RV?
Yeah.
RV. My husband, for sure, he doesn't want an RV. But if we come that we don't have a choice, RV is life talaga. RV is life. The thing is, if you have RV, you cannot go to the grocery store and use your RV. No? No?
No.
It's crazy. Anyway, so yun yung problema. Anyway, guys, palis is Mr. Oh my God, the hummingbird is enjoying life, honey.
So they're filled up for now, and if you have to fill them up again, you have to fill them up.
Are they there?
I don't know, I can't see.
You can't see. You have glasses on you.
I know, I just don't see. Sometimes they're in the back, you can't tell.
Galing ako sa labas na pinakain ko lang yung mga alagang ibon. Anyway, kakaalis lang ni Tami and then ayaw niyang umalis. Sabi pa niya isang araw lang daw siya dito. Nasasad ako ay kasi feeling gusto niyang dito lang siya. Ayun, umalis kasi kailangan trabaho daw bukas. Wala sana siyang trabaho bukas pero may event or something bukas, so kaya yun. So yun lang yung vlog natin guys. It's 4 o'clock, i-in ko na to ng maaga. So salamat po sa inyong panonood and kita-kits tayo bukas. I-in ko na to kasi yun, pahinga lang ako guys. Kailangan ko pang maligo din. Ang tawagan ko si Brenda kung anong ganap niya. So ang daming prutas. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin sa prutas na yun. Ang dami. Tinggalhan ko si Lloydie at saka si Brenda. Kasi, alam mo na, para naman magamit itong prutas. At saka, ang sarap guys, ang sarap ng prutas na yun. Yung apple kahapon ba yun? Yun, hindi pa siya hinog, hindi pa siya okay. So, pero yung pears, whatever, masarap siya. As in, ang sarap. Para siyang bayabas talaga guys. I-ano mo siya sa asin para siyang bayabas. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and then click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo kapag mag-upload si Akits. Bye guys! Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.